स्वागत है। तो फ्रेंड हम देखने जा रहे हैं भाई सलमान खान सर के ऊपर वीडियो, भाईजान के ऊपर वीडियो होने जा रहा है। साउथ इंडियन एक्टर्स टॉकिंग अबाउट सलमान भाईजान, रजनीकांत, चिरंजीवी, उसके अलावा प्रभास, महेश बाबू, मतलब ऑलमोस्ट जो साउथ के सारे बड़े बड़े सुपरस्टार हैं वो इनके ऊपर जो है ना बात करने वाले हैं। सलमान सर के उनका क्या मतलब कहना है सलमान सर के अबाउट, तो काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो है। तो जल्दी से इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं। देखते हैं। माय नेम इज साद खान,
माय नेम इज इरा खान, माय नेम इज अजीजा खान, माय नेम इज आलिया खान.
You shared screen space with Shah Rukh sir in a small sequence in Ravan. You're doing an entire film with Akshay sir. When can we see you and Salman sir together? Or do you plan to do one film?
Even tomorrow, if Salman says yes, I am ready.
Lovely. We're going to take
Dabangg 3. For me, is an honor to be sharing the screen space with sir, and I think the film is shaped up extremely well.
You know, Salman Khan once said to me that he never wants to play negative characters on screen. He wants to always be positive because he said cinema is too influential in our country. Is that something you prescribe to? Do you always want to be good?
It depends on, cinema at the end of the day is entertainment. But for someone like Salman Khan, he's a huge star. So it's
for you.
Yeah, but Salman is in somewhere else. Salman is in somewhere else. But
Salman treats Charan as his very close, like a younger brother. He's very, very cordial and a very nice and very warm person. We love Salman. Along with Salman, I do.
Did Salman Khan have an influence when it comes to fitness? You said that you're a gym person.
See, there are a lot of people who inspire you. You know, when you get into doing certain things, I think people inspire. They're definitely inspired. There are a lot of good people who inspire. But I have worked out with him. He trains like an animal. He trains really hard.
Salman is a very close friend of mine, and I think what he's doing now is fantastic. I feel very happy for him. I always tell him, I keep telling him, you don't need stories and all that. Your charisma is enough. He's a true superstar. I really feel that. I keep telling him, you don't need stories and all that. Your charisma is enough. He's a true superstar. I really feel that.
The problem was not with him. The problem was with me. Like, I was wondering, is this too much of virus is running into your mind? Like, how is he? What is he? Because there's so much of stories we keep, just keeps in the air. See, I want to tell you something. He's a very different person than what people put it across. So he's a man full of heart.
That's true.
There are only two things to him, and that is where probably our personalities meet. We can either like someone or not like someone. There is no in between, and when we don't like someone, I don't think they exist at all to us. Same thing with me. I don't like someone, you can never be in the book of my hatredness, because I personally feel my anger or my hate is much more purer than my love. I don't know whether I remember the people I love, but I'll remember the other ones every morning when I wake up. So it is very pure for me. So
I think he's also like that.
Yeah, I can't
Absolutely.
put you there. So this man is like that, and once he accepts you as a brother or a friend, see, I think with people who have done so much in life, achieved so much in life, if this is the positioning they're giving you, you better be good at that.
As Salman Khan has rightly said, बहुत महीनों तक कोई और फिल्म को नहीं आना चाहिए थिएटर में. Pleasure having you guys with us on Bollywood Night.
Thank you.
So, Mr. Khan believes that no film should be coming post 7th January. So, what are your thoughts?
It's a way of Salman Bhai being the Bhaijan. Salman Bhai being the Bhaijan. It's a way of expressing his love.
Right.
But for sure, we would want the film to run as long as he has blessed us.
Bollywood, I like Salman sir.
So I like all of them, but Salman would be like, I've met him more often. I've spent a lot of time with him, and I think it's good fun to be around him.
How easy or difficult was it working with him? You know, because you said that the fitness levels and everything, how easy or difficult was it?
I found it very difficult at a particular time, because there was a shot when I need to kick him on his chest very hard. Yeah, I did it little. Prabhu sir is not agreeing. He comes and tells me, sir.
Or Jose.
He doesn't talk. He shows with his face. What?
दबंग 3 की बात कर रहे हैं.
Okay, sir, I'll try.
वो थे ना,
And I
ये
did.
विलन.
He was also standing with full force. And then later he says, buddy, kick me. I said, yes. And I told Prabhu sir, he will tell sir, I can't. I can't kick him the way you're saying, sir. Say, sir, सिनेमा में करते हैं. हाँ सर, मैं भी यही समझता था कि सिनेमा में करेंगे सर, लेकिन probably the respect what you have for certain people, I can't, sir. You know, kicking that thing is okay, sir, and the way you're saying, then finally they did in a different way. I couldn't do it. You couldn't do it.
ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವಾಗ ಅವ್ರ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಯಾವಾಗ ನಮಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೋಹೆಲ್ ಖಾನ್ ಅವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎ ಬಿಗ್ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಸಲ್ಮಾನ್ ಖಾನ್ ಸರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Then I realized, it's that aura, you can't do certain things. Then I realized, it's that aura, you can't do certain things.
One stage, few words, I cannot define my love for Salman Bhai and what I've learnt also from him. But one instant in Jeptano, superstars like Salman Bhai, Venki Garu, Sudeep Garu or Chiranjeevi Garu, one common thing I've learned is not acting, not dialogue, delivery and action. It's their discipline. I think my next generation, one thing we learn is discipline from them. And I wish, thank you for inspiring me, sir, and many more people.
Shahrukh, Salman, Amir, your favorite Khan? As an actor, I prefer Salman. Yeah.
He's a sweetheart when it comes to all that, because there are days when I used to feel tired and he used to come, he used to call me, क्या हुआ किच्चा? So I used to say, नहीं sir, थोड़ा stop करते हैं. So here they are saying, sir, इतना बड़ा सेट लगा है, स्टॉप कर देंगे तो क्या होता है सर? नहीं सर, अगले हफ्ते तो हम उधर जा रहे हैं, तो 1 महीना उधर रहेंगे, बाद में आना पड़ेगा, तब तक तो सेट नहीं छोड़ सकते. तो I was like, oh freak, this is what is happening. And by the time I go, he says, don't worry यार, they'll construct it again, take off. चलो आप करो, कुछ नहीं होता है, थोड़ा और पैसा लगेगा, बस क्या है, कमा लेंगे. And then I go and say, the production used to say, sir, he himself is a producer, look at him talking. See, the pressures where this side I'm going, they are saying, sir, don't agree, sir. There I'm going, now he is reluctant. He says, nahi karenge, aap rest karo, thoda denge. I said, sir, and then I'm going there again, no, you don't agree, go back and tell him that you will shoot. And I'm trying to go back and tell him, Q, for what? Nothing will happen, I'll see what happens. Now, both of them forgot the situation was about me. It was my back. So finally I left it to them and they broke it just like that. And then they reconstructed. They just stopped it. See, now that is the kind of respect and love they are showing. So you feel like whenever there is shoot or anything, you want to give that extra to such people, who are full of love and heart.
Dialogue lo, Salman Bhai. డ్రెస్ వేస్తే పోలీస్, తీసేస్తే గూండా అని చెప్పే డైలాగ్ మామూలుగా లేదు. డైలాగు చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉంది. ఆయన తెలుగులో ఈ సినిమా రిలీజ్ చేసినందుకు ఆయన ఎంత ప్రేమిస్తారో, సినిమా చూసి దాన్ని సూపర్ డూపర్ చేస్తారని తప్పకుండా నమ్మకం. We have to show our love and affection for the Dabangg 3 and make it a super duper success. Thank you.
मुझे लगता है बेस्ट विशेस दे रहे थे.
सलमान भाईजान के बारे में जो एक्ट्रेस की मतलब राय और जो पॉइंट होता है वो पता चला, जान के बड़ी खुशी हुई कि साउथ इंडियन एक्ट्रेस कितना प्यार और इज्जत देते हैं भाईजान.
ऐसा ही है
जो ये भाई डिजर्व करते हैं.
जितने भी फेमस और जितनी भी लेजेंड पर्सनैलिटीज हैं वो सारी ही सलमान सर की फैन है. और जिस तरह से उनके लिए रिस्पेक्ट है SS राजा मौली ने मतलब दिखाई, वो देख के मुझे बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छा लगा कि सलमान, द ओनली नेम इज सलमान, मतलब इतना ज्यादा रिस्पेक्ट.
और रजनीकांत सर ने मतलब कैसे बोला फट से,
वो काफी सुबह गए हैं, सुबह तैयार
यार, मतलब क्या ही भाईजान की पर्सनैलिटी है, मतलब
वो रिस्पेक्ट के काबिल है, इसीलिए सब रिस्पेक्ट देते हैं ना.
और
बॉलीवुड से लेकर साउथ के एक्टर लोग भी, वो भी सलमान भाईजान के फैन हैं और मतलब उनको रिस्पेक्ट देते हैं.
जैसे ये नहीं है कि वो फैन है, वो ये भी कहते हैं कि हम सर से इंस्पायर हैं. सर की कहते हैं बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं, मतलब इंस्पिरेशंस हैं. तो वो लोग भी इतने बड़े स्टार्स बन रहे हैं, तो वो कहते हैं कि हमारी इंस्पिरेशंस की वजह जो है ना वो सलमान सर हैं. ये चीज़ भी बड़ा मायने रखती है.
बिल्कुल. तो भाई क्या ही मतलब पर्सनालिटी सलमान खान भाईजान, मतलब जिनको ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार मिलता है और बहुत सारे लोग उनकी रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं, उनको चाहते हैं. तो साउथ इंडस्ट्री मतलब क्या सोचती है उनके बारे में, आज इस वीडियो को देखकर हमें पता चला और ये जानने को मिला कि किस तरह मतलब साउथ के भी सारे एक्टर, सारे बड़े बड़े नेम जो है ना वो सलमान भाईजान के दिल में बहुत प्यार रखते हैं और उनकी बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं। तो वीडियो काफ़ी अच्छा लगा देख के और ये चीज़ें जान के कि मतलब सारे एक्टर क्या कहते हैं सलमान भाईजान के बारे में। तो अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दें, चैनल कर दें सब्सक्राइब। मिलते हैं किसी नई वीडियो के साथ, तब तक के लिए अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखें।